This video is about 10 months late, but I guess better late than never. I've made a lot of cold brew since the beginning of this channel, but this video documents me trying to find which blend works the best for us. For this batch of testers, we used 32-ounce mason jars, a coffee grinder, a measuring cup, and small linen or cheesecloth bags to steep the coffee. So we're gonna need some water. So can we get some water in here? No, silly, not that kind of water. Non-carbonated drinking water, please. Thank you. The first coffee we used was Starbucks Pike Place Roast. It is a medium roast and should be a good everyday coffee for cold brew. The second coffee we used was Seattle's Best Post Alley. This coffee is a dark roast and can likely be found in most grocery stores. The third coffee we used was a cold brew blend from Frothy Monkey Roasting Company in Franklin, Tennessee. This was purchased in Tennessee and may not be available nationwide. The last coffee we used was Death Wish coffee. We wanted to see how the purported world's strongest coffee fared as cold brew. To prepare each batch of coffee, we filled each cheesecloth bag with 3/4 cups of ground coffee and tied them off. We then placed those inside of the mason jars and topped each one of them off with fresh water. Then we let them sit overnight as you would for cold brew coffee. This video isn't so much about the process, but the taste results of each coffee selected. At this point in the process, we were pretty excited to try the different varieties of coffee that we selected. After steeping, we opened each jar and removed the cheesecloth bag. Over time, I have learned that the little bit of coffee that spills out of the cheesecloth bag should not be put back into the batch because it could impart extra bitterness. As you see here, I did it wrong. But hey, you learn, right? After processing each of the jars, we tasted the coffee by diluting it 50% water to 50% coffee, since the fresh cold brew is a coffee concentrate. Now, I do have to apologize for the lack of reaction footage, but sometime between filming and editing, the reaction and tasting clips were lost. What I can tell you is that Starbucks Pike Place and Death Wish coffee made the best cold brew out of the 4 blends selected. However, I have to warn you against drinking the Death Wish coffee straight and undiluted. I took a sip of it from the jar and very shortly after started feeling a jittery type caffeine buzz. This would not be good for those that have sensitive hearts. Even though the blend from Frothy Monkey was supposed to be a cold brew blend, it was very light and citrusy in flavor. We didn't really care for it, but you might. And last place was taken by Seattle's Best, and would not get a recommendation from me. It tasted like stale coffee at the all-night diner. Thank you for visiting Trial and Error Kitchen. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. We do appreciate your support.